Let's do this. Dodger approves. Are you a little helper? All right, we have our new Bluetech system and we have boondocked in camper van Larry, but we have not actually set up water and hooked up to a city connection. So come with us to do that for the very first time in the camper van.
While setting up Blutech.
For the very first time. This is a lot of firsts. I'm not so sure if we know what we're doing.
I definitely don't.
Oh, okay. Whew. I like that little shoebox that's right at the door, but it is challenging to get your shoes back on. You do have to like actually pick up your shoes to get them back on in order to get in there. So it's a little annoying, especially to the driver, Ryan. Well, look at that little knee pad that you got down there. That's pretty nifty. Okay, so what are you plugging in first?
Well, right now I'm putting in a right angle adapter that right now I'm not really sure is gonna work.
Uh-oh. It sticks out a little far for the door. Whew. Okay, so it's hot out here and that took a lot. The driver, Ryan, was dripping sweat, so we took a little bit of a break. The camera actually started to overheat too, which was really fun. But we're gonna walk you through the setup now. All right, tell us what we're looking at, driver Ryan.
That thing connects to that thing.
This thing connects to this thing. All right, so what do we got in here?
Oh, we've got a 90-degree bend and another 90-degree bend that are connecting this little black water flush thingamajigger that Blutech sells. That
Black tank flush kit.
Sure.
That's it.
That's what it's called. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze.
Yeah, this is a small compartment.
Yeah, I had their elbow joint on originally over here, but it was taking up a lot of space, and so I needed something that was a little bit smaller. So I've got this, I don't know, probably something I picked up at Camping World, elbow joint instead.
Sweet. So what does this valve do right here?
That is
this little valve.
That sends water to the black tank so you can flush the black tank.
But it won't feed back into the fresh tank or the hoses in the fresh tank, right? So that way it's like one system that can just stay on there.
Yep.
Sweet. That's awesome. And then this one is part of our fresh tank system that plugs into the hose that's leading out from the bottom with a quick connect. Goes all the way around. So now we've got our Blutech system right here with quick connects on either side, so we can just plug and play as we need to. And then the hose will finally tap in right here to the city water. So it is a pretty cool plug and play system. I do love that black tank flush kit where we can just leave it on there and never have to worry about it again. And then when we go to leave the campsite, because remember, camper van Larry has to be unplugged from everything before we can leave. So we can just leave it here. We're at a pretty secure site tonight, so we could probably just unplug it, go to dinner, come back, plug it back in. But if not, then that's why we've got this big storage compartment as well back here in the van, so that way we can unplug it, throw it in the van, and off we go. Happy camping.